Hello, my name is Kaela, and I'm a master's student studying at the University of Kansas. For my thesis, I am working on analyzing land use effects on recharge through playas to the High Plains Aquifer. Playas are ephemeral wetlands where recharge rates are 1 to 2 orders of magnitude higher than the inner playa. Recharge through playas is increasingly important as groundwater levels in the High Plains Aquifer have dropped 50 to 100 feet in Groundwater Management District 1 in western Kansas since the 1950s. However, playas have experienced severe degradation due to farming, which may compromise the magnitude of recharge through playas. So my research question is looking at which characteristics of playas, including land use, result in the greatest recharge to the High Plains Aquifer. It is hypothesized that natural playas recharge to the High Plains Aquifer at higher rates than playas with modified land uses due to changes in soil structure and sedimentation. On this poster, I have looked at core and groundwater samples to determine recharge rates. I have also done geospatial analysis using ArcGIS to determine playa characteristics in the study sites over time. Other components of this project done by other authors on this poster include ecological surveys to determine playa impairment, shallow core collection to determine sedimentation rates, yield map geospatial analysis to determine the cost benefit of farming through playas, and hydrologic models to extend field recharge measurements to other playas. The study sites, we have 15 study sites across GMD1, which include Wallace, Wichita, Greeley, Scott, and Lane counties. And the characteristics of playas differ between size, land use, depth to water, precipitation, and watershed size. We also have looked at the representation of the study sites compared to GMD1 playas. Many of our study sites are grassland or pasture because we're looking at unmodified playas and then playas with some level of restoration. There are also different crop types, including corn, winter wheat, and sorghum. And we have some playas that are fallow or not used as cropland and are not considered grassland. I also looked at playas characteristics between GMD1 and all of the High Plains Aquifer using the probable playas data set from the Playa Lakes Joint Venture. I looked at area, saturated thickness, and mean wet frequency. The differences between GMD1 and the High Plains Aquifer total playas are, the shapes are very similar. There are some differences based on the number of playas selected and the characteristics of western Kansas compared to other study sites. In the future, we will continue to collect deep core to determine the recharge rates in the playas, and then we will compile the recharge, sedimentation, biological diversity, and land use and other playa characteristics to determine which components of playas are most critical for recharging the High Plains Aquifer in an effort to expand the life of the High Plains Aquifer. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.